Hello. You're muted.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Not much.
So like, yeah, I had this really long client for like 3 hours. I had to like help her out. But anyways, do you have your lab?
Yes, I do. So shocking news. We did the lab together.
Okay, that's actually better because I don't have to work too hard. Okay.
So she wants me to do. My teacher wants me to do the first lab we did. I guess I just never finished it.
You never finished it? Okay. What does it involve?
Can I look that up?
Okay.
Don't.
Actually, can you give me like 2 minutes? I have to do something and I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, while you look it up. Okay, I'm back. All right. Did you find it?
Yeah, I did. Hold on.
Okay. Yeah, maybe you want to share your screen? I can probably take a look at it.
Yeah. One.
Is this the one R related as well?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Let's
Oh,
open up R.
clear that. I never even did it.
You never did it? That's not good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me pull up.
Statistics. I guess lab. This is lab one. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna pull up R real quick.
Let me see.
I do need one help in R real quick.
Okay. What is that one?
So we did the lab together today.
Okay.
But she was going so fast I couldn't
Yeah.
ask any questions on
Yeah.
it.
Okay. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, usually they do that. Yeah, we can take a look at that.
So I never got it running, which is
Okay. We're going to. I guess some small error or something. We'll take a look at it.
yeah, probably.
Okay. Is this the lab one?
Yeah. No, this is the lab. This is the lab we did during class today.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me take a look. I don't know anything about it, but it looks like it's the same thing, same data set, right? The bullpen.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Oh, so you guys are just messing with it. Okay. What was it that didn't run?
I couldn't. You see over here it says Nuble
Oh, it's
and it
empty.
has 0 variables. I couldn't figure out how to change.
Okay. No worries. So new bolt 12, that's what your data frame is. I think the problem here is you have to load. Do you remember loading the library tidyverse?
I think. If you want,
The
I'm
tidy.
gonna.
The tidyverse.
I'm gonna do this. Copy, paste.
Okay, okay.
Way we can look at your screen, not mine.
Cool. All right, let me send it to me, and I should be able to do something.
Is that you? No.
There's multiple Pauls. It should be the first one. The PIJ. Try typing PIJ. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
This.
That's the one. All right, let's take a look at.
I don't need to name it.
Okay.
There.
Yeah, I think the only thing is, yeah, pretty much. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, send it. It's pretty much just tidyverse. Like, you know how. Let me just explain what I'm talking about. You know how like when you're loading up like functions or using functions inside packages. Do you remember talking about that?
Yes, I remember talking about it.
So in like coding, anything with Python, any coding, there's usually like people usually like create their own like packages, and then this is like kind of just like a hierarchy of okay, you have packages and then modules, and then inside those modules you have like functions. But before you can use those functions, you have to load in the library or like the package or the module, and that usually happens up top. Let me see. And if you don't do that, it won't run. That's what ends up happening. Come on. Did you send it by chance?
Yeah.
Okay.
No address is not found. Hold on.
Super. It shouldn't take that long.
Hold on. Hold up.
Okay.
Yeah, hold up. There you are. There you go.
You didn't send. Okay, good. Cool. Come on. I think. Let's see. Okay, I got it. Let me just copy this whole thing. All right, let's just share my screen now.
Right.
Let's look at this guy. Put it right here. Come on. Why is it so small? All right. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So let me just do this one. So you know how like at the beginning of this guy?
Yeah, you had loading something, library or loading.
Yeah. So typically you do this first, like library tidyverse. That's what it's called. Tidyverse is where this bool thing right here, this bool
Yeah.
database tidyverse. So like if you load this guy, okay, it's loaded, that's good. Let's try running this guy. Oh yeah, and then like another thing, do you remember we did the package, the read CSV? Do you remember doing that one in this
Yeah.
guy?
Yes.
So let's put this guy in here. It's the same thing. That's like, and that's why I was like a little surprised. Like, so it's this guy, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then let me see. Okay, it's that one. And this has to match. Like here, what you have here is you have this variable, right? The bool.
But it doesn't.
Yeah, it has to match like the variable that you're sending the data frame into.
Okay.
So like if you run this guy, okay, now we have bool, and then let's try running this guy. Okay, now it actually, I think it worked now. Let me just check. Yeah, so now we have something, right? New bool 1, 2. Let me see, new bool
1. Okay. So another thing is, so in the lab, she made us do the conclusion part, and in the conclusion, all in the console, all she wants is the answers in the console. So nothing else but the answers.
Nothing else but the answer.
Yeah, so that's all the code you need to get all the answers in there. I just couldn't get it running.
Okay. We'll do that one. Let's just see if this one runs first. So is it doing new?
Maybe the environment. Not to be like a nitpicky or anything, but might be helpful. You have like
parser column. It says should work. Why is it not? Okay. And go to this guy. What is it saying? Input has size 58. Division warning unknown information. Okay, so if I hit this, so it didn't define this guy yet. Let's see why. Does it have to be new bolt 12 or does it matter?
It should be.
There's something okay. It's not that one. There's something wrong with this. Because like it's saying that has size 0. So is it greater than 1 or greater than 0?
I think it's greater than 1. It should be exactly as I put it. I mean, you could try it both ways.
Because if we take a look at, let's take a look at this guy, the events column of 12. Let's see, 2012, let's see this in events. Okay, I found it, it's right here. And it's supposed to be, you want only, this is saying you want only numbers that are greater than 1. And there's a lot of them here.
Yeah.
So that shouldn't be a problem. Let's clear this out. What is a must subset of a valid subscript error?
It's the event 12 that's a problem.
Is it events or event?
It might be events, but could be wrong.
It is events, yeah. See, okay, let's try see if it works now. Okay, now it works. Okay, that's good.
Now the histogram should work.
Okay, that one works.
Now everything should work.
Let's just check. Let's just check. And then let me just run like all these guys. Okay, there's an error.
There's an error. There's a little bit of more than just an error.
Okay. Just run this one first. So I like running them one by one because like it's easier to see. Okay, that one worked. This one didn't work. Can't subset columns that don't exist.
Oh, wait. You see earnings, there's a VS, put a space.
Is it this one?
No, in line 20.
Line,
I don't know.
Oh, there's a bunch of stuff actually. Let me, like this guy right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just see, like, okay. This one works now. This one works now, so that's good. Let's look at this one, 20. Okay, that one doesn't work because of, it's probably because of this.
Yep, there you go. The little things.
Yeah, honestly, it's kind of nitpicky, but that is what code is. It's you know, you have to have a good eye, eagle eye, or else okay, that one works. This one, and like if you're doing this on like Notepad, that's why it's gonna be more difficult. Because then at least there's some color in this one. What is it saying?
Cut point.
What is that? Is that it? Does that even exist?
Yeah, it should.
It does exist, but is it points? Does it need like a number?
Maybe it's cut points 12.
Okay, perfect. You know how like, when you type this guy, like I just want to show you something. You know, like when you type this guy, right? The new this is your data frame,
Mm-hmm.
and then like after the dollar sign, like try look at this. So you see this? Like you see something?
Yeah, cut points 12.
Yeah, but like instead of actually like typing the whole thing, you could just
Yeah, just press
click
enter.
on it or tab. You can press tab as well. Let's see what this is. Okay, that one works. What about this guy?
That works.
Oh yeah, and this one, do you know what it does? This is actually a really nice one. It just tells you like, you know, it'll pinpoint the Y value given these guys, something like that. And then what about this guy? Okay, that one works. Oh, something's wrong. Oh, I see. Okay, that one works. Okay, I think we're good.
All right.
Oh, that was pretty. Yeah, a lot of it is just debugging. It's not fun sometimes, but the first thing I always like check are spelling, and then it's in terms of what I just said. You have to always do this guy. Okay. Do you want me
Uh,
to send this the just this thing to you or the art the script?
so can you clear the console?
Clear the console. Okay.
I think it's like
Isn't it which do you remember which one it is? Let me see. Clear console. It's been a while. Is it CLC?
hold on. I don't have it.
Oh, there you go. I found it.
Yeah, and then just run it all, and then take all that, and I just need to take all of that. Can you
This
email
guy?
that? The whole thing? So all those things.
Okay. Let me see if I can even. It doesn't want you to do that one. There you go.
Yeah, and then can you just send that to me?
Yep. Okay, that's all she wants. She doesn't want the script.
Well, so uh, I think that sometimes it, yeah, that's all she wants, and then I guess I could,
Okay. Okay. I guess for this, do you want the script as well for your own thing?
yeah, just send the whole thing.
Okay.
I guess I could just run it.
It's like, you know, it's always good to have like this on your, like to look back to it. Okay. This is not lab one, but I'm just sending this one too.
It's okay. That's all I need.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
I'll look at that tomorrow and turn it in tomorrow.
Okay. What about lab one? You said you need help with lab one?
Yeah. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead. I think I allowed it. Go ahead.
These first couple questions, can you allow me to, please?
Yeah, I think I did.
There, didn't work the first time. I think these first two are just analyzing and answering multiple choice.
Okay.
Analyzing might have a little bit more coding.
Is there where's your data set? Is it in there?
So yeah, so they have it. I'm gonna clear all this,
Okay.
and then um, I'll save that. So it might be scripts.
Is it the animal one?
It is the animal one, I believe.
I think I saw that one. Just like it's
Mhm.
probably like the one before this.
Animal data.
Yeah.
It should say that these are all pre-lab.
Yeah, I think I saw it. So I go back one more. It's in like one of the, not this one. There was a CSV file wherever you were earlier before this guy. There you go.
Animal data. There. And we're just gonna minimize it.
Nice. Okay. So this is what do you have to do with this one?
So these first questions are about the data set. So descriptive statistics can tell us.
Qualitative stuff. Okay. Do you know what let me see. Descriptive statistics can tell us what distribution of the variable looks like, whether two variables are independent, whether we have a categorical. Descriptive statistics. I remember like this term. Let me just try. It's probably like the way you guys defined it is different, but typically,
Well, handy dandy cheat here has a thing called vocabulary list.
there you go. Okay.
Maybe
Does it
it's on,
have that word though?
huh?
Does it have that word in there?
It might, like,
You think?
it would be under unit 1.
Let me just see.
I don't see it.
Okay, let's go back to the choices. I think let's just look at them. How many values in a population? That doesn't sound right. What the distribution of a variable looks like. It was like I think B, whether no, it looks like it's B, right? Like
Why would it be B?
the distribution of a variable. It should be because like descriptive statistics tells you like the features of a data. I remember doing that, and then a qualitative analysis. Let's just take a look at like C doesn't look right.
I agree.
So
I
A.
and it doesn't look right.
What is meant by descriptive statistics? I remember. Do you guys have multiple shots, or is the only one?
No, we have 2 attempts on this.
Okay. Let's be logical in our attempts. Do you guys have, besides the vocabulary, is there like something that you guys refer back to?
I don't remember this term.
Okay. Because it's not about learning about the population, it's more of like a summarize of a sample. So I'm
So why
thinking
would it not be B?
it has to be B somehow. It's like it gives you statistics about the sample.
Can you ex can you
Like when you're saying distribution of a variable, it's kind of like it gives you that's a statistical term. You know,
okay?
like a distribution of a variable is like a statistical term. And like descriptive statistics, I don't think it allows you to like check whether two values are independent. It's that's something else.
Okay. Which of the following are examples of descriptive statistics?
Oh, now you have to okay. Columns are in the mean and standard of distribution. I would think it's like D. D would be proper.
Can you give an explanation?
Yeah, because it gives you like descriptive statistics gives you like the qualitative analyses. So like mean, median, mode. You've heard of this before, or like variance, standard deviation.
Yes.
And so that's like kind of like that. You see distribution of a single variable. Like when you're talking about statistics, it's not like you're not checking probability. Like like when you're summarizing like a distribution, you usually like to know what's the average, right? Or standard deviation. All these are like quantifiable values. So that's why it has to be those values. Like if you look at, columns in a data set, that sounds
Doesn't
very
make
big, yeah. So I think it's D. All the other ones doesn't make sense. No, it's D, not B.
You sound like you're saying B.
Okay.
One of the following questions will be answered in the lab using descriptive statistics. Like the question that can be answered with
Okay. What do you think about this one? One of the following questions will be answered in the slide. Select the question that can be answered with descriptive statistics.
I think it's A.
Let me see. Does being in the shelter make dogs more aggressive? Which animals were adopted but should have been returned? Does the age of an animal?
It doesn't talk about, and I remember reading on this
Oh,
thing.
okay.
It doesn't talk about being more aggressive. And it doesn't
Okay.
talk about weight. I mean, it does, but
Okay.
I feel like it would be.
Let's it's usually something that's quantifiable, like not qualitatively. Like, let me see, which animals were adopted but should have been returned? That doesn't sound like a statistics question. How much do adult cats and dogs at the shelter weigh?
Okay,
That's
so
just that's just measuring something. Because have you heard of hypothesis testing?
yeah. Wait, what's that last word you said?
Testing,
Yeah.
hypothesis testing. Yeah, it's not like when you do that kind of stuff, you have to check if what you have, what you assume your hypothesis is true, and if it's not true, then usually there's like a quantifiable number. Let's just see. Let me see. Does being in a shelter make dog? No. Does the age of an animal determine whether or not it will be adopted? I think yeah, A sounds the one. Yeah,
Oh, so it was right.
yeah. Let's see if this is good.
We have 2 attempts, so we can take notes.
2 out of 3.
Uh,
Ah, come on. So okay, at least we got 2 out of 3. Let me okay. Let's actually we could probably look up something. Does the age of so that's not the one. Especially like B is definitely not right. So maybe
I don't think it's D either.
why?
I mean, it might. I just don't think it is.
Okay, let's look at C and D. Which animals were adopted but should have been returned? You can't answer that with statistics, right? You can't. Let's see. How much do adult cats and dogs at the shelter weigh? Maybe it is D because like it's a quantifiable number, right? There's a quantity that's associated with that. But look at C and B. There's no quantity there.
So you think it's D?
Yeah, that's my best bet. But
Okay, let's just remember what we chose for these previous ones.
B and D, does it change? Does it change it?
Yeah,
Because a lot of quizzes sometimes it does that.
well, it just switches the order.
And other ones they even change the question, but this one doesn't. That's good.
So this one was this, right?
Yeah, and then for the first one, it's a C. It's the distribution one.
And then this one we wanted to do
The way one, the adult cat, yeah.
this.
Yeah, just go ahead. I think that's the one.
Nope. Oh wait, yes, yes. Great.
Okay.
I was looking at this one. I was like,
I
wait.
know, right? It pisses me off sometimes. Man, like, so there's only 3 questions every time. This is not.
No, they get more. They get
More. Okay.
more. This is the lab question. They say to like copy paste this into the R Studio,
Okay.
so that you have it because they'll refer back to it later.
Oh, I see. I see.
I hate this stupid thing. Like, it's the worst design ever possible.
Okay.
So this is the code we got to write now.
You have to. This is the one that we have to write.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Create a data frame.
Create a data frame for adult animals in the data set. An animal is considered an adult if it at least 1 year of age.
That sounds doable. Okay.
I'm gonna let you take over.
Let's I think it'll be better. Do you want to just like work? You know, I want to see how you work to code. Let's just I'll tell you what to do though.
Okay, so
It'll be more effective this way.
can I I'm gonna do something real quick.
Okay.
So I can have the this the quiz on one hand.
Yeah, I usually split it. You could split your screen if you want.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's the plan.
Okay, so this one. Z score. Oh man. Okay. Let's look at that one.
Oh, got it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Create a table for the
Okay.
cats and dogs that are in the data set.
So you have to do kind of like a similar thing of what we did. You know how like you filtered it. Like you have to create that. Oh, put in tidyverse first.
Yeah, I'm gonna kind of cheat. Oh shit, mother trucker.
Measures a center.
Hold on. Open file. Pre-lab 2. Okay. There's nothing against cheating.
Of course. I mean, it's your work, so.
And then we got to do this, correct?
Yeah, you have to do something similar where it says like an animal is considered an adult if it's at least, right? So
I
yeah,
don't.
you have to create a data frame first. Like put it inside the data frame. Or I think you already have that. It's animal, right?
Yeah, it's already.
Okay. But we have to filter that one. Try to click on that guy first and go to age. I want to see what's inside it. Try to click. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Let's look at the age. Where is that one?
Age intake.
Is that the only one? It looks like it's the only one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to know the label name, which is like age intake. And then
Yeah.
so go back to the sample one, the pre-lab. Yeah, go that. You see where I wrote the new bowl, and then yeah, line number 11. Okay, try copying that one because we need to do something similar to that.
I remember. But we want to name this one shelter or age.
It's up to you. Something very descriptive to this guy. So maybe like,
Age.
oh, let me see. It's supposed to describe the animal, right? That's
Yeah.
an adult. Maybe like adult animal, something like that.
Adult animal.
Yeah.
That. Yeah. Okay. And then we gotta rename this, right?
Yeah, that one has to be animal, the one that you already have.
But we don't want this either. We want age intake.
Exactly, yeah.
And then we want it greater than 0, right? That
I
is
think
our
I think 1. Does it say 1?
It's 0.
I think it has to be at least 1 year age, so we have to change that to 1.
1.
Yeah. And then yeah, just leave the comma and then try running that one.
Bam.
Okay, and then try visualizing it. So try typing in just adult animal, or you could just do that. Okay, and let's look at like age intake and see if we did the right thing.
Everyone's over 1.
Awesome. Okay, so that's how you do slicing. That's pretty simple. What's the next thing?
Make a histogram. So, bam.
Wait, what about number 2?
Oh, table.
Create a table to show how many adult cats and dogs are in the data set. So for that one, I think you could just do summary. Try to type in summary. Let me see. And then type in adult animal.
And this. And we want, wait, how many cats and dogs are in the data set? We want.
Can I go back to that one? We need to look at the data set. How do you know it's a cat or a dog?
Animal type.
Okay, so type
Capital
in like animal. Let me see. Animal type equals. We have to find like hold up first because we have to make sure. Okay, I think you have to type in length of which. Remember that which thing, like which. So delete all of 8 first. Delete all of 8.
all of 8.
Yeah, and then just type in length, like LENGTH.
That, or what are you saying?
Let me think first, because we need to create a column that has only cats in it.
What can we look at?
So let me see. Or like we need to create a column, like a data frame that has only the animal type. There you go, the animal type. So type in like maybe cat equals, yeah, cat equals, or animal type. So just type in animal type, not cat. This animal type. Type, and then like if you think about this one, just do the same thing. Like make it animal, and then you want to filter it.
So the same as line 5.
Same as line 5, but then it's not going to be a number. It's going to be a string. So it's going to be animal, and then animal type. I think equal, or just animal type. Yeah, I think that's what you have to do.
We want this animal, right?
Just that one. Yeah, that one, and then try to type in the $sign, and then animal dot type. Click on animal dot type. Yeah, and you might wanna change the label of this guy, like because it's all animal. Maybe type in animal type. It would be better.
Or what about we just do?
Anything but animal, obviously.
Yeah, what about we just do like? No, that doesn't make sense. Just do. Let's just do. Okay.
Yeah, and then run that one.
But sorry, say that again.
Run it. Run line, just line 8. Run. Did you run it? Okay. So Where is that one?
It's right here.
Oh, okay. Try visualizing that. So just type in animal type at the bottom,
Here.
or like anywhere, like line number 9. Just like type in animal type. Yeah, and then just run that. Run it. Okay, so now it's a list of dog, cats, dog, cats. We want to count how many cats and dogs there are. So let's so since this is a vector, we can find its length now. So try type in length at the beginning of line 9, like before animal type. You don't have to erase it, but yeah, type in length. And then type in which. And then type in animal type. And then equal, and then type in string cat or dog. It doesn't matter. Like it has to be a string, so you have to put it inside a double quotation mark. And it has to be capital C or D. It has to be cat or dog, capital C or D. Cat or dog, right? Not string. It has to be cat or dog. Yeah. Try and then run that one. No, just run that one. Okay. So what you have there is just the number of cats.
But it's not asking.
Oh no, but then what is it saying? How many adult cats are in the shelter? Okay. So technically we could just do what we have to do is like a double step.
I'm going ahead. I'm going ahead. Let's do all the code and then we'll answer the question.
Okay. I think we should fix that one though, because it says adult cats and dogs. Right? Number 2. It says adult cats and dogs.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just see if we can make that like an adult cat. Another way would be.
Or we could just do this.
You have to fix number 8, I think.
You couldn't just copy this and put dog in it?
No, but then they're not. You don't know if they're adults, right? You don't know if they're adults. Yeah. So another way, you have to do something similar to 5, but then an 8. So let me think. Oh, okay, I got it. Instead of on line number 8, you know how you have animal $?
Yeah.
Change the animal to adult animal.
Dog animal?
Adult animal.
Oh.
I think this should work. Like adult animal. Yeah. There you go. And then like run 8. Okay, and then run 9. There
49. And then we copy paste it to dog.
Yeah, just do the same thing, but then change it. Yeah. But you have to create a table though that shows how many. He wants you to create a table. Why does it have to be different? Okay.
Why does it have to be a table?
Yeah, like why can't you just output it? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
No, it's not that bad. If I remember, you could just create like okay, you could actually just create. Let's see, small table.
I mean, we did answer this and this.
Do you have to turn in the script? Yeah, just put in the value, but do you have to turn in the script or not?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so you do have to create a table from vectors. You have to create a vector and then creating a table. So I remember doing this one. Oh, I see. Okay. So we have to create a matrix. Have you done that before?
I mean, no, but
Let's so try type in this guy. Let me see. 1, 2. We're gonna change the labels. So the first thing I would write is a descriptive name. What are you gonna call this table?
give me one.
Adult animal table. I mean that's that's descriptive as you can get. So okay, adult table animal, make that equal a matrix or like the arrow thing.
Adult table.
Okay, and then like make this equal a matrix or like the arrow.
Oh, okay.
Assign, yeah. So assign this a matrix. So matrix. This is like one of the other data types besides the vector. And then now you have to put in a vector. So put C, like type in C and in parentheses. Okay, so inside this, like you have to create a vector. So the name of your whatever you're gonna put inside is gonna be, oh, you have to either you could maybe line number 9 and 10, you have to put that inside there. Either copy those guys inside or make those equal something else.
So you're saying copy both of these inside there?
Yeah, but one by one though, like
Yeah, yeah. I was just highlighting it.
Okay. So it's like 2 things, okay, and then
Comma,
yep,
and then the other one.
yeah.
And it goes after the comma.
Yeah, and then so after this guy, oh, actually you have to close the parentheses. Try putting another parentheses. Can you move? It's hard to see the because like it's okay. Do you know which parentheses belongs with which?
Well, these.
You could actually like your screen for your environment. You can minimize that. You can the environment like you can actually put scroll. You can drag that to the right. Yeah, you can drag it to the right. Yeah, there you go. And then there. Okay, so you see how like the parentheses got highlighted. Let's see which one belongs to C and just close it. Close the C.
So
on the right side.
This side?
Okay, so that one belongs to that guy. Okay, that's good. Now put comma. Not right there, like after the third parentheses. Yeah, comma. And then here you put NCOL. NCOL equals 2. And then let's see. And then I type comma. And then by row, BYROW.
That equal to 1.
And true. Put TRUE and an all capitalized.
True?
Yeah. But then it has to be all capitalized though.
Like that?
Yeah, and then close the parentheses. And then run that guy. What does it say? Redraw incomplete. Wait, did it run though? I think it did run. Try typing that name again. The adult table.
Try running this.
Not running it, but you need to type adult table because in R, like when you assign, it doesn't really appear. Just type in adult table in line 14. And like run that guy. Try running it. Okay, so there you go. You have something there, right?
Yeah.
So let's try to change the labels now of your columns. So the how you do that is you type in on line number 15, call names, COLNAMES.
Wait, say it again.
Call names, COLNAMES, COL, and then names. It should appear. There you go, the first one. And then what you have to do is type in adult table, whatever you just created. And then like you need to assign it. So let's assign it something. You know, with the arrow. So make it equal, but then use the arrow. No. This whole thing, it's already complete. After the parentheses. Yeah. So put that over here, the arrow thing. Okay. So here you have to create another vector, and then this so you have to put C, right? Not inside of parentheses, just C. And then, okay, so inside this vector are gonna be all your column names. So let's try to create those strings. So the first one, what is that? 49 on the console. What is that one?
It's your row, right?
No, but like what is it? What's that label? Is that like for the cat, adult cat?
I think it's for cats, yes.
Okay,
then,
so type in like adult cat in like quotation marks, and that's gonna be kind of like, you know, this, you're creating a table here, so this is gonna be your name. So it has to be in quotation marks. Like this is gonna be your label name.
and we do the same thing for dogs.
Yep.
And run it.
Let me see. And then the next thing you have to do is, I guess we could technically name the row as well. That would be more like appropriate. Oh no, you know what you did there? It's actually wrong. So for 15, delete 15. You have to put the adult dogs right next to adult cat. It's in the same line of command. So just put it right after, like a comma after adult cat.
Like that.
It should be inside the same command C. So take out the parentheses. Yeah, take that guy out, and then the other guy, and then put a comma. That should be good if you put a comma. Okay, so you have that now. Run that guy. And then let's type in adult table again. And then like assign it another thing. Yeah, that you could just go along with that. Is that good with you? There's another thing that you could do to assign.
No, we don't need to go any more than that.
Okay. All right, so that's number 2. Let's look at number 3. I think number 3 is pretty easy.
Make a histogram. I'm guessing we're going to start with this.
Exactly.
For both of the weight. So we're going to take it from animal adult table. Correct?
Yeah. And then what do you do? What do you do next?
We want it to pull out the weight. Right?
But only for dogs and cats though, right?
Yeah. Well, there's only dogs and cats in the data set anyways, right?
I don't know, is there?
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, that's good then. Go ahead. What is it called? Is it weight?
Type.
No, I think you're good. You just need the weight, I think.
Oh.
What's the weight label called? Like what? Go back to that one. Like what's the weight label? Is there like a weight column?
progressive social max weight.
Awesome. Yeah, I think that's the one.
Max dot is not pulling up. So
That's weird. Just run it. Like sometimes it does this. Go ahead. Okay, there's something wrong. Is it the adult table? Oh, because that's a matrix. It's not the adult table. It's a adult isn't it animal type?
yeah.
Oh no,
So,
is it animal type? Adult animal. There you go. Adult animal. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
so now it should run. Nope.
Okay, so it does this sometimes. What you have to do is do you remember? Try to go back to what we did before, the statistics one that I sent you.
Wait.
There's something that I put. Let me just look at it again. Okay, never mind. Just type this in. Like before you do the history on line 17, try type in PAR and then parentheses MAR and then equal C. So you're gonna do another vector C, and then like inside this vector you wanna put it 4 ones, 1 1 1 1 with a comma obviously. So it's a vector, right? So inside that one, so parentheses, you need a parentheses in there, yeah. And then the 4 ones, yeah. And I think that's it. And just run that guy. Okay, and then run the 18 again. Okay, I think something happened. Okay.
It is negatively skewed.
Okay, and what about the next one? Oh, you know what? This one is like dogs or cats, right? It's not both of them.
Yeah.
We got okay, I guess I gotta separate them. So let's see. You have to filter out the adult animal. So like
Yeah.
you need another variable, or actually in this case, yeah, you need another variable. You need another like maybe like you need to create something similar to line number 8 and 5. So maybe before this guy, type in like adult cat animal. Yeah. Like this is your variable. So you're gonna create your other variable, okay?
Or can we just do cat animal?
Yeah, you can just do that one. Okay, so this one, and then you need to assign it again. Okay, and then type in adult animal. And then like the bracket, the square bracket, and adult animal. And then $ animal type. And then equal. And then like the string, right? The cat string.
So what's that called?
It's just the cat, like double quotation mark, and then cats. Go back. It's just double quotation marks and cat inside, right? So put with a capital C. And then run that one. Yeah, just run that one. Oh wait. Oh, did it run?
Yeah, it ran. Oh,
There's something wrong. Okay. So at the end of cat before the bracket, put in a comma. Run that one. Okay, I think we're good. Okay. So for that, you need to create a counterpart of like dog. So do the same thing with dog.
copy paste it, right?
Yeah.
But then change. So we can just do this. Go down. We can do this. So we can change this to that. And we can change this to that.
Okay. I mean this one's pretty. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's good. Now you just have to do the histogram of each, and then max weight. Yeah, use that as your data frame.
So it gave us the data frame. Hold on.
Yeah. So just line 22, just change adult animal data frame to either dog animal or cat animal.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I can type today.
Okay, let's see this one. This should be the first one. Okay, there you go. That's the guy.
It's still negatively skewed.
Yeah.
But then we can just
Okay, the next one, yeah, just do the same thing but for cat.
oh shit.
Oh.
Okay. Oh,
Invalid number of breaks. How is that possible? Are there like, do it again? Or is it because like you deleted a few things? Do number 22 again. Do number 22. So there's nothing wrong with that one, right? Okay, and then but 23, there's something wrong. That's weird. Try and look at that cat animal. Let's look at what it's inside it. Like try viewing the actual table. I want to see what's inside the table.
this?
Yeah, like if you go to the environment and then click on cat animal, then environment. Yeah, click on cat animal. How can you visualize? Can you visualize what's inside it? Okay. Let's see. Try scrolling up and down and see if there's like an empty cell. Go to weight. What happened? Oh, it's all NA. Why is that?
Wait.
Oh wait, it shouldn't be max weight. It should just be weight. Yeah, try. Yeah, click this. Yeah, delete the maps part.
And the cat one?
In both of them.
Oh,
So
bad.
so bad. Yeah, still negative. Okay.
And this is approximately normal.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Oh man, how many are there? It's like 8.
8.
Holy snap, man! This is a long one. Okay, let's go back to the top one. I think so. We're done with the histogram one.
Yeah. Calculate approximate measures of center and spread for each distribution. Do you want to type the rest of this out so we can speed this
Um,
along?
when is this one due? Like, I actually have to go soon. Can I just send you like the
It's due
finished
by
version? Huh?
it's so the term ends this week, so I have to have this done by the end of the week.
Okay, that's fine. I can have it done tonight. I just have to eat dinner first.
At 8 o'clock, I guess you can work it.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't eaten yet because of that 3 hour thing. Is it cool if I'll if you send me like this whole thing on the left, and
How about
then
you?
like, and I'll answer the questions, and like you could actually send me this one too. Your script.
Okay, how about you take a picture of the questions real quick?
Okay, can you send me the script though? Let me see
Yeah,
if I
yeah,
can.
yeah. Yeah, I can do that.
Is it possible for you to do like a print PDF on the quiz?
No,
Oh, it doesn't do that. Okay.
no.
Okay, I'll do one question at a time. Okay.
Uh, you can probably get both of these in there.
Okay, scroll down to
Hold
4.
on.
Like
I'm
just
gonna-
like just a little bit. I just want to see 4. All right, all the way, so that I can take a picture of all of them.
Yeah, the school makes it to where you can't do that.
That's super weird. I guess that's good for you know, integrity.
Yeah.
But we'll see. So 5.
In the meantime, I am going to send you the code.
Yeah, after then I should be able to finish this. Like, do you have what's in store for this week? What else do you guys have?
We have a problem set. So the problem set is UT grade tomorrow.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay, scroll down to 7 and 8.
but no, so problem set is on Wednesday.
Okay. I could probably help you out with that if you need it. Can you scroll to 7 and 8?
Yes.
Okay, 7. Okay. These ones are the. Do you think you can pull out what's in the select for 8?
Sorry. Oh yeah.
Okay, I just want to see. So 4th, 3rd, 2nd. What about the other one? I guess I'll memorize it. Like 75. Okay, I'll memorize it.
I guess when you get the code down, this will kind of just answer
Wait,
it.
it'll spit out something. So I guess you can just like put in. Okay, I'm done with all those questions, but maybe the you know like the main prompt, what I'm supposed to do, like all the way up top. Okay, let's see. All right, I think that's good. Cool. You sent me the code?
I am getting that ready for you now.
Okay.
Lab 1. Here,
Come on. Okay.
here, and here, and just sent it.
Okay. Let me just check just in case. Okay, I got it. All right, man.
Cool. Alrighty.
Okay, so like yeah, I'll send you that, and then I guess when do you guys have your next lab or whatever? We can just let me know if you need help with the Wednesday one.
Yeah, the problem set I probably can't do with you, but we can do it. We can go over it after.
Okay, or whichever one you need help with are. You know, I know most of the time, like anytime this week I should be good, but whenever you need help, just like let me know and then I can help you out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Parker, have a good one, man.
You too.
Cool.